What's up, y'all? Back with another video. I'm shooting this one and the other one that I uploaded in the same day. I just changed clothes and took a shower. And yeah, so basically, man, we're just gonna go through my tips and tricks on how to grow your hair. I don't know how this looks because I'm trapping off the iPhone right now because I ain't got no space on my camera because I just recorded the other video and I'm doing this back to back. So let's get straight into it, man. First off, the most important thing of all is Dasani. Now, I'm not sponsored, and I know there's a lot of more water brands out there, but Dasani is the best water out of like Aquafina and Deer Park. And then you got Fiji and all that. So, but Dasani is the best out of the low tier water bottles. Cool. But look though, so a lot of people ask me, how do I get my hair so long? How do I grow my hair and stuff? And they would think I just use, coconut oil. Like, man, he probably just use, coconut oil and argan oil and tea tree oil and just a whole bunch of oils. And to be honest with y'all, I really don't. I really don't use anything. I've just been blessed, and it's an honor and a privilege, you know what I mean? And but I really though, I'll give y'all just a couple of tips and tricks and stuff I use. So the first one had to be scrunchies, if y'all call them that, or rubber bands. Actually, don't use rubber bands because I heard it rips out your hair. Now underneath these are rubber bands, so that's kind of I don't know a word, but you know what I'm saying. But anyways, yeah, scrunchies or little tie things, just tie up your hair. Because really what it does is like stretch your hair and stuff. It just helps it grow, kind of, I guess, and not shrink up. Because you know us, we have hair shrinkage, and yeah. But the next thing you want to do, well, not really want to do, but have is a pick or a comb. Always, pick out your hair, comb it out, pull it out. Especially at night, you want to pick it out. If you have like a short fro or something, just pick it out and tie it up. And then you can tie it up like just one bun if your hair is long enough, or 2, 3, 4, however. And yep, so pick number 2. Number 3, you really don't have to wash your hair like every day or every other day or every week or every 2 weeks. To be honest, as nasty as it may seem, I really don't even wash my hair that much. To be honest with you, I really don't, because I just know shrinkage and I just don't have time. But when I do, I usually wash my hair like before I'm finna get it braided, twisted, or if it's just been a long time, or I've been outside cutting grass and all the grass flying around and stuff getting in my hair. That's pretty much when I'm trying to wash it. So yep. Number 4. All right, cool. So number 4, you wanna just get it braided. Get it braided, twist it, and what I mean braided, you can do depending on the length of your hair. I know me, I can do 2, 4, 6, 8. I mean, it just doesn't matter. But a lot of people can do 2, typically 4. It's like the most traditional, I guess. Maybe do different designs or just go straight back with it, cornrows or whatever. And that just pretty much just helps not strengthen, but stretch your hair. And you just keep it braided for a long time. Keep it moisturized. That'll probably be number 5. Yeah. So number 5, keep it moisturized. And it's better to keep it, not really better, but it's easier to keep it moisturized when you have braids, because you kind of you see your scalp when you have braids in. So like me, I can't really see my scalp because, yeah. So when you have braids, you can see your scalp, and you can put the oils or whatever oils you want in your hair, put a do-rag on when you have braids, a do-rag, and yeah, just keep it moisturized. Especially in the summertime, you want to have braids or twists pretty much the whole entire summer if you can, and stay out the heat, because that will mess up your hair. And I try to do that a lot, so that's probably one of my best tips. Stay out the heat as much as you can, even when you're in the car and got the heat on. Try to stay out of that. Try to stay out of that. Just little 5 tips, man, on how I keep my hair long, bro. Not really keep it long, but grow it out and stuff. And if y'all got any questions, man, just let me know. Comment below or inbox me if you have my social media. And I'm trying to think of something else. I don't really know. Depending on the hair products, you have to find the right hair products for your hair. Everybody has different hair. I don't know what kind of hair I have, but everybody has different hair. So this product I use for mine to basically curl it up and stuff. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll go ahead and give that away for free. But anyways, yeah, you just want to keep it moisturized, stay out the heat, drink water, tie it up, braid it up, twist it up. Keep it protected, man. Keep it protected. Alright. So that's pretty much how it is. I might do another video, and I might do my hair videos like this, like on my phone. Just trap off the iPhone, because really iPhone have the camera. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I might do some more videos, because I know my hair videos get a lot of views. I don't want to do just hair videos, but if that can get me up there some more, I guess that makes sense, I'll do it. But anyways, y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all like my hair, like it. If you don't like it, still like it. Share with your friends, and